New at 4, seconds matter when firefighters are trying to save lives. In the city of Marietta, the fire chief says new technology has his crews responding safer and faster.
Channel 2 Cobb County Bureau Chief Chris Jose rode along today to see how it all works.
Marietta firefighters told me they respond to dozens of calls every day. On Monday, we rode along with them to see how they navigate the roads to get to scenes safer and faster.
Seconds matter when you talk about lives, so when you start talking about minutes, that's significant.
Fire Chief Tim Milligan says life-saving technology is giving firefighters green lights at pre-cleared intersections. No need to push buttons or flip a switch. The truck's emergency lights and sirens trigger the system.
The system's smart enough to know what direction they're going in, and it preemptively activates the signals in the intersections, clearing the intersections.
We noticed traffic lights turn green well before we got to intersections on this ride. In the last 18 months, the chief says firefighters are responding to calls a minute faster.
We're confident we'll see probably a minute and a half, 2-minute time savings once we kind of fine-tune and finalize every detail in the system.
City leaders say Marietta is the first in the country to implement a fully connected transportation system, one that Milligan says will only help his crews navigate traffic congestion that's becoming a growing challenge.
Not only is it faster in our response time, but it's also safer for the responders and our public.
And Chris Jose is live in Cobb County. How effective is the technology during rush hour? Traffic is usually bumper to bumper there in Marietta, Chris.
It is, Dave, and here's the really cool part. The system actually knows how fast these fire trucks are going. So if it's backed up at one intersection, it'll speed up the lights at intersections in front of that one.
Wow.
The city says SPOS money covered the $60,000 cost.
And when,
Dave?
And when seconds count, this is very important. Chris Jose reporting live in Cobb County. Thanks, Chris.